I'm out mushroom hunting again. Found another mushroom right here. I'm not finding a lot. Just found another bottle dump. Oh, some over there too, but let's go look at this big one right here. There's all kinds of bottles in it. Look at that. All kinds of ball jars. Wow. Kind of scope around here so if anything good, any good bottles or so we can jam now. It's old 8-track player front. Orange juice bottle. Broke. Looks like I can't get it out. Hold on, I'll put the camera down for a minute so I can get this out. Sitting there good. I can't dig it out. An old whiskey bottle. Well, don't think anything in here is any good. Just junk. Don't see anything other than bottles not too old. Well, we'll look around for a bit. If I find anything, I'll let you see it. Hey, I found something cool. I went on over a little bit where the other little bit was, and it's kind of awesome. Hold on a second. I think it's a tail light for an old car. I ain't sure, maybe a Crosser or one of them Pontiacs, but it's an old one. That's kind of unique. It's a tail light cover. I want to look up what that's for. Hello. I'm in the woods doing some mushroom hunting again. Different woods. It seems like everywhere I go, this is what I find. Dumps. This is a tire dump though. It's all kind of spread all over. You got a bunch of tires over there. So, I guess people gotta throw them away somewhere, right? But I haven't found any mushrooms, but Like I said, I found a bunch of tires and junk. We'll keep traversing on, see what we find. I was walking, this big old skull caught my eye. I ain't sure if it's looks a little big to be a deer. It's humongous. Humongous head. Looks like them canines, maybe like it's a coyote. So it looks like them canines do. Wow. Look at them canines. Yeah, I think it's a little too big to be a deer head. I could be wrong. But I think where the teeth are shaped more like a canine's teeth. Yeah, found something that kind of gruesome. He didn't make it. He must have fell out of a tree or starved or something got him. The squirrel been dead, I'd say, for at least a week or two, maybe longer. Actually, a little longer. Well, poor guy. I was looking for some new woods to mushroom hunt in and hunt for bottle dumps. I can't go in here because there's no trespassing, which sucks. But I'm gonna get close enough that I seen something from the road on this sign. Look at it. Got a little buddy guarding it. Got a guard reptile. How you doing, buddy? Are you guarding the woods? See if he's alive. Yeah, he's alive. He's going up that tree. How much of a guard dog area? By the way, here's what a lot of Indiana looks like right now. Swampland. There, he's got two floating tires. That's not floating, but